PPC versus paid search, what's the difference? Have you ever wondered if these two terms are different ways of saying the same thing? You're not alone. But fear not. We're here to clear up any confusion and set the record straight. First off, let's define each term. PPC stands for pay-per-click, a form of online advertising where businesses pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Paid search is using search engine advertising to promote a website or product. So are PPC and paid search the same thing? Not quite. While both involve paid advertising to drive traffic to a website, PPC is a specific type of paid search. In other words, all PPC is paid search, but not all paid search is PPC. Still trying to figure it out? Let's break it down a bit further. Paid search can refer to any paid advertising on search engines, such as Google AdWords or Bing Ads. These ads can take various forms, including sponsored results, display ads, and product listings. So, PPC is a specific type of paid search where businesses only pay when someone clicks on their ad. To sum it up, PPC is a subset of paid search. All PPC ads are paid search ads, but not all are PPC. Got it? Great! Now that we've cleared up any confusion, let's talk about the benefits of each. PPC is an excellent option for businesses looking to drive targeted traffic to their website. Incorporating analytics allows for detailed targeting and the ability to track the success of campaigns. Paid search, on the other hand, offers a broader range of options. It's a strategic way for businesses to increase brand awareness, reach a larger audience, and allow for purchasing of a product or service. Both offer unique benefits for businesses looking to drive traffic and reach their target audience. So the next time you're wondering about the difference between PPC and paid search, remember, PPC is a specific type of paid search where businesses only pay when someone clicks on their ad. We're sure this video will help you master the differences between PPC and paid search. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more marketing tips and tricks.